Well, let's show you this very fine Doulton Burslem Madras Platter, 1898 to 1902, I think, if I remember rightly. It's a lot older than I thought it was when we first looked at this, due to the brightness of it. I just looked at this thinking it's probably going to be a 20th century piece, but they actually stopped making a Madras quite early on, and the actual marks on this, as we'll show you in a minute, are pre-1902. 13.25 inch length and 10.5 inch width. Madras pattern is the Oriental pagodas with, looks more Chinese than Indian. I don't know why it's called Madras, to be honest with you. But it's a really nice dark grey, cobalt blue, transfer printed flow blue piece of Doulton. See that? Look at that glaze. I mean, there are very occasional scratches on it, but by and large it's in really, really fine condition. And there's the Madras mark, England Burslem, Madras crescent over the top, crown marks before the line got applied. It's also got impress marks for Doulton Burslem and a 47. We were literally put off thinking that was going to be a date stamp, but it's not in the right format, and obviously this was made much earlier than 1947. So a nice Doulton Burslem 13.25 inch serving platter, made by Doulton Burslem pre-1902, so a proper piece of antique flow blue china, and in very, very nice condition. Thanks for watching.